You've gotten very good at hiding it. So good that people don't even question you anymore. They see you, talk to you, laugh with you, and leave thinking you're fine. But you know the truth. There's something inside you that hasn't felt right for a long time. Not just a bad day, not just stress. Something that stays, even when everything around you looks normal. You wake up and carry it. You go through your day with it. You go to bed with it. And somehow, you've learned how to function like that. That's the part that confuses people. Because from the outside, nothing looks broken. You're still doing what needs to be done. You're still showing up. You're still responding when people need you. But inside, you feel stretched. Like something in you has been pulled too far and never returned to its place. You've tried to explain it before. You really have. You've thought about what to say. You've replayed it in your head. But every time you get close, something stops you. Sometimes it's the fear of not being understood. Sometimes it's the fear of being seen differently. Sometimes you just don't have the energy to explain something that doesn't even have clear words. So you stay silent. Not because you want to, but because it feels easier than trying and being misunderstood. And after a while, that silence becomes normal. You answer people with, "I'm okay." You change the subject. You keep conversations light because it's simpler that way. But there are moments when that weight shows up stronger. When you're alone. When there's nothing distracting you. When your mind starts revisiting everything you've been pushing aside. And in those moments, you feel it clearly. You're not okay. But you still don't say it. Because saying it means opening something you've kept closed for so long. And you're not sure what will come out if you do. So you manage it instead. You stay busy. You keep your schedule full. You give your attention to other people's needs. And for a while, that helps. It keeps your mind occupied. It keeps the feeling in the background. But it never fully goes away. It waits. And when everything slows down again, it's right there. That heaviness. That tiredness that sleep doesn't fix. That feeling of carrying something you can't explain. And maybe the hardest part is this. You've been there for so many people. You've listened to them, supported them, stood beside them when they needed someone. But when it comes to you don't feel like you have that same space. Not because people don't exist, but because you don't feel understood enough to open up. And that creates a different kind of loneliness. Not being alone, but feeling like no one really sees what's happening inside you. And over time, that changes how you move through life. You start keeping more things to yourself. You stop expecting people to notice. You stop waiting for someone to ask the right question, because you've already convinced yourself it won't happen. But listen carefully. What you're feeling is not strange. It's what happens when you've been carrying too much without release. It builds, slowly, layer by layer, until one day, you realize you've been holding more than you can manage. And instead of letting it out, you adapted to it. You adjusted your life around it. But adapting doesn't mean it's not there. So if today feels heavy, don't force yourself to be different. If your mind feels crowded, don't fight every thought. If you feel low, don't rush to cover it up. Just give yourself space to exist as you are. Because even if no one else understands, you can start by understanding yourself. And that's where things begin to change. Not all at once, Not dramatically, but gradually. You begin to feel a little more grounded, a little more present. Not because everything is solved, but because you stopped running from yourself. And that is a powerful step. You don't have to stay like this forever. You won't always feel this way. Even if it's been a long time, it can still change. And until it does, you don't have to pretend. You don't have to carry everything perfectly. You just have to keep going. In your own way, at your own pace. Because even now, you are still here. Still trying. Still moving forward, even if it doesn't feel like it. And that means something. More than you realize. One day, you will look back at this version of yourself and understand how much you were carrying. And you will respect yourself for not giving up. Even when no one knew what you were going through, you stayed. And that matters. Subscribe to AOA Motivation. If you felt this, you're not alone. And this channel is for you. Watching my videos means more than you know. Even if you don't subscribe or like the video, I truly appreciate your time.